Very important to keep wickets in hand because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Oh, that's found the edge of the bat. Good delivery. Well played, but straight to the fielder. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. It looks in good batting form. But that's going to be 4 all right. Sweet timing. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. He's not going to miss out on those. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. Dazzling batting by this duo. The captain needs to come up with a plan to break this partnership. That ball deserved a boundary. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a 6? Yes, it has. That was a stunning shot. That's a good shot from the batsman. Wasn't the best ball though. Lovely timing. Ball hitting the sweet spot. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Oh, that's hit him. Got into an awkward position there. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. But that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for 4. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favourite players. That's a good shot from the batsman. Wasn't the best ball though. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman.